are here to present on the topic volcanic eruption.
Deep within the earth is so hot that some rocks which are found within the earth cracks slowly melt into a thick flowing substance called the magma. A volcano is a rupture on the earth's surface that allows magma, volcano ashes and gases to escape. When the rupture happens on the earth's surface, there are cracks which are going to form on the earth's surface. After these cracks have been formed on the earth's surface, the squeezed magma under the earth will then come out as a form of lava. These are layers of the lava released by the volcano. Also, this is a flowing lava.
We have a little experiment to show on how volcanic eruptions occur. For our experiment, we will need acid, sodium carbonate, liquid soap, funnel, food color, spatula, a container, and our artificial mountain. Start off by pouring our sodium carbonate into our artificial mountain. We'll combine our acid, liquid soap, and food color together. Now it's time for the eruption. Once he pours this solution into our artificial mountain, a reaction is going to occur which will cause the eruption. So we must hurry up and step back.
Hydrochloric acid and sodium carbonate was used in the eruption because hydrochloric acid is an acid and sodium carbonate is a base. When these two chemicals come together, a chemical reaction takes place which produces a gas called carbon dioxide which brings the eruption. This soap was also used to increase the foaming, food color to bring the color of the magma.
Some effects of volcanic eruption. 1. Respiratory disease. 2. Burns. 3. Displacement of population. 4. Food shortage. Thank you.